So, after describing about Khatvanga Maharaj, Shukadeva Goswami is telling, the son of Khatvanga Maharaj was Dirghabahu. And Dirghabahu's son was Raghu. This is the famous Raghu. And son of Raghu was Aja. And Aja's son was Dasharatha. Rama, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, accepted Dasharatha as his father. Appeared as the son of Dasharatha. Now Rama appeared with his full quadruple expansion, Chaturvyuha, Rupa. The Supreme Lord, original personality of God, Krishna, expands himself into many forms, both in the spiritual world and also in the material world. In the spiritual world, Krishna first of all expands as Balaram. Balaram expands into Chaturvyuha expansions, called Vasudeva, Sankarshana, Pradyumna, Aniruddha. This, the Supreme Lord who incarnated as Rama, Ramachandra, because there are many Ramas. In the Dashavatara Stotra, there is a description of 3 Rama incarnations. Bhrugupati Rama, the descendant of Bhrugu dynasty, who is also known as Parashurama, is one Rama. The second is Ramachandra, who is Raghupati Rama. Raghupati Rama, we chant this. Raghupati Raghava Rajaram. So this Raghupati Rama, second Rama in this Dashavatara Stotra. And third one is Balarama, the elder brother of Krishna, who appeared as the elder brother of Krishna, as the son of Vasudeva and Devaki. Vasudeva and Rohini in the case of Balaram. So this third Rama, he is appearing in Yadukula, Raghukula, Yadukula, Bhrugukula. So 3 Ramas. Out of them, this Ramachandra appeared with his quadruple expansions. He is Vasudeva. Sankarshana appeared as Lakshmana. And the other 2, Pradyumna and Aniruddha, appeared as Bharata and Shatrughna. So Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna, 4 brothers, all sons of Dasharath Maharaj, through different queens. They together appeared as the 4 sons of Dasharatha. All of them are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. All of them are God in different expansions, different forms, All of them are described here by Shukadeva Goswami and also by Valmiki as Vishnu Tattva. So people cannot understand that here is God. So then God is recognized by very, very special or specific symptoms. By whom? Not by ordinary people. Not by popular vote. Just like nowadays, somebody by popular vote is considered, worshipped. Temples are built by popular vote. There is no confirmation by Shastra, Vedic scriptures, Shruti and Smriti. There is no confirmation by authorized saintly persons who are well versed in the Shastra, who are strictly practicing spiritual life as explained in the Shastra. Such persons, there is no such confirmation. So one should not accept somebody as God or even as Guru without confirmation from the Guru, Sadhu, Shastra. Without confirmation from Sadhu and Shastra. From the saintly persons, authorized saintly persons and the authorized scriptures. So Rama was recognized not by popular vote, not by some miracles he performed, not even by that. Rama performed miracles, Krishna performed miracles, Vamana performed miracles, but not on the basis of that. No. The saintly persons recognize. Vishwamitra visited Dasharatha after Rama was born, the son of Dasharatha. Dasharatha was very, very happy, pleased. Because for a long time Dasharatha did not have children. So he requested his sage, saintly advisor, Vashishta. that I want to have son. At least I want to have one son. So what should I do? So Vasishta said, we'll perform one Putra Kameshti Yajna. Dasharatha performed that. And then as a result of that yajna, Dasharatha was able to have 4 sons, not one. And who were those 4 sons? They were all Supreme Personality of Godhead appearing as the sons of Dasharatha to bless him. So Dasharatha, after these children were born, he was very happy. So he was raising them very carefully. Eldest was Rama. Anyway, he was attached to all of them, but particularly to Rama. And then at that time, when Rama was just about 12 years old or so, this Vishwamitra, great sage, he walked into this Dasharatha's palace. Dasharatha is ruling. And Vishwamitra says, I want to take Rama and Lakshmana, your 2 sons, to the forest where I am performing yajna, because my yajna is being disturbed by these Rakshasas. So I want somebody to guard my sacrificial arena. So please send your 2 sons. Give me your 2 sons. I'll take them for guarding my sacrifice. Dasharatha's heart broke. He said, my sons, 2 small boys, you want to take? I will come personally with my full army if you want. Why do you want to take these 2 boys? So then Vishwamitra explains, they are not ordinary boys. They are not just your sons. They are not ordinary Kshatriyas. They are not even just powerful Kshatriyas. They are the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So that is the way to recognize who is God. Vishwamitra confirmed. So, like this, even Shukadeva Goswami describes here, Tasyapi Bhagavan Esha Sakshad Brahmamayo Harihi. Brahmamaya, the Supreme Brahman, Parabrahman, the Absolute Truth, who is Hari, the Personality of Godhead from the spiritual world. Sakshat, directly, the Supreme Lord has appeared. Bhagavan, he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Amsha, Amshena, Chaturdha, Agat, along with his portions and plenary portions, and portions of the plenary portions, he has appeared in 4 forms. Chaturdha, Agat, Putratvam. In what form has he appeared? As the son, accepting sonhood of Maharaj Dasharatha. Putratvam. Prarthitaha Suraihi. Not only he appeared because Dasharatha wanted to have sons, but he also appeared because of the prayers by the demigods. Prarthitaihi Suraihi. These demigods were harassed by some Rakshasas headed by Ravana. This Ravana, he challenged the authority of the Devatas. And because he had got some special power by his tapasya, the Devatas were unable to control his mischievous activities. So the Devatas prayed to the Supreme Lord that you have to do something to help us bring back law and order. So how did the Supreme Lord respond? He said, I will appear myself and relieve you of the burden of these Rakshasas. But when the Supreme Lord appears, he particularly appears for pleasing his devotees. And he also appears to protect his devotees. And he also appears for performing some pastimes by which he re-establishes the dharma. Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Every yuga the Supreme Lord incarnates.